Hi, my name is Michael from Beamex. In this short video, I'm going to show you maintenance inspections, a new exciting functionality from Beamex. For the last 40 years, Beamex been doing calibrations and we're very good at that. But right now we're introducing maintenance inspections, which you can do alongside calibrations. And you can do that on the tablet, like one of those. You can do that on the Zone EX tablet, like one of them, or any other Android-based mobile device. Your maintenance inspections are used for any sort of general inspections, any safety-related inspections, any EX zones, any EX areas inspections, any pass and fail, any open and close, anything like that. You create it on CMX, you schedule it from CMX as well, you transfer that to your tablet or any other mobile device, and you're ready to go to the field to perform maintenance inspections. I happen to create one inspection, consists of two checklists that we have to do. It's called filter. I've transferred that already from CMX to my tablet, and I'm going to take you right now to air conditioning room to show you how it's done. I'm here on site now, where I'm going to be performing the test here that I've previously transferred from CMX. So let me just start my mobile device. I go to bMobile, that's the application on the tablet. So I can see right now I've transferred 3 tests from the CMX. The one that I'm going to be performing is called filter check. So let me click on that. You can see I've got 2 tasks within that particular one. So let me hit start. The first task is to check that the differential pressure is below 300 pascals on this manometer that measures differential pressure. So that's what I'm going to check now, and it's also asking me to write the pressure value inside the note field. So I can see right now, well, it's around 65, so let me just type that in. So I've typed 65, so the first task is completed. Let's move on to the second task, which is asking me to open the filter cover and check the filter. So let me just do that now. Okay, everything seems to be fine, so I can also click pass here. Now, this is the summary page. I've completed those 2 tasks here. I can say here who done the test, put my name, my initials. I can say how long did it take me to do that test. I can put any other environmental information here, and I've got final say here whether the whole tag is a pass or a fail. It's a pass in this instance, so we're saving the results into our tablet and subsequently into the CMX. We're back here with our mobile device and CMX database. What we're going to do right now is transfer information from the tablet back to our database. So all it is connect the PC to our tablet. You click calibration and you want to receive that information from the mobile device. It picks up that we've got some results here for the filter that we've previously inspected. It's asking us to receive it. Let me just show you the results. These are the results. You can see we performed 2 tasks within that one test. Right now we can leave it here, you can leave it in CMX, or we can actually export it to PDF or export it to email. This is how you transfer information from mobile device onto the CMX. This is how you plan, perform and record maintenance inspection using CMX and bMobile application on your tablet. This is for all your general inspections, for all your safety-related inspections, any pass and fail, any tests like that. If you're interested to find out more about this, check our website or check out our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.